unfolded your lies, one by one. They laid out your patchwork under the sun, and people gathered from miles around to witness your quills laid on the ground. And then they called out your name. Yes, they called out your name. And you will live forever. Know that ours, just like a patchwork quilt, there were men and women, mothers and fathers, sisters and brothers, daughters and sons, and children and babies, lovers and friends. They all lay before us, sewn into one. And then they called out your name. Oh, yes, they called out your name. And you will live forever. Know that ours, just like a patchwork quilt,
Your lives have meaning.
your lives have joy.
You touch so many people.
So many more than you'll ever know.
And you wrapped your arms around me as I
Walk down these roads, you're letting me feel your beautiful souls. I feel the warmth of your life, warmth of your love, and you will live forever. Know that ours, just like a patchwork quilt,
My heart spills over.
flowing with tears,
I cried for your suffering.
for your shortened years.
And I'll take you with me as
I walk away, remembering you who died with AIDS. And I'll remember your name. Yes, I'll remember your name. And you will live forever. Know that ours, just like a patchwork quilt,
know that
just like a patchwork quilt, I'll be loving you, just like